Have you ever heard about the most isolated places on Earth? These remote and untouched corners of the world are shrouded in mystery, as reaching them seems nearly impossible. From inaccessible islands to unforgiving deserts, these hidden locations offer a glimpse into the true solitude and vastness of our planet. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the most isolated places on Earth where the possibility of venturing becomes a challenge in itself. 1. Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression stands as a surreal testament to the extremes that our planet can manifest. Nestled in the remote northeast region of Ethiopia, this otherworldly terrain, aptly named Afar, unfolds at about 100 meters below sea level. As one steps into this extraterrestrial-like landscape, the oppressive dry heat and the pungent odor of sulfur and chlorine create an immediate sensory assault. Yet amidst the desolation, patches of neon green and yellow emerge, an enigmatic spectacle that captures the essence of this unique region. With an average daily temperature soaring to 34.4 degrees Celsius and a meager annual rainfall of around 100 millimeters, the Danakil Depression stands as one of the hottest and driest places on Earth. Its volcanic origins become evident in the presence of more than 30 active and dormant volcanoes, shaping a geological marvel at the crossroads of three tectonic plates on the East African Rift. The landscape unfolds in a dramatic display of noxious hot springs, frozen black lava flows, and massive salt basins, remnants of ancient lakes. This stark contrast to the cool, temperate Ethiopian highlands further accentuates the mystique of the region. The Danakil Depression's reputation as one of Earth's lowest, driest, and hottest places is well earned, creating an environment that challenges the limits of human endurance. Beyond its geological allure, the Danakil Depression holds historical significance as the birthplace of Lucy, the famed 3.2 million year old fossil hominid discovered in 1974. The region's Mars-like appearance has also attracted scientific attention, serving as an ideal laboratory to explore the physical and chemical limits of life on Earth. In the heart of this desolate expanse, where the Earth's crust reveals its turbulent history through volcanic activity, the Danakil Depression beckons intrepid explorers and researchers alike. It stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring and sometimes otherworldly wonders that our planet conceals in its most remote and isolated corners. 2. Ilhada Queimada Grande. Prepare for a spine-tingling journey to a small island off the coast of southeastern Brazil, where the mere thought of it is enough to invoke fear in those with a phobia of snakes. This compact piece of land, measuring just 430,000 square meters, annually transforms into a nightmarish haven for venomous serpents, creating an environment that would send shivers down anyone's spine. At the heart of this chilling narrative are the true stars of the show, the deadly inhabitants themselves. Among them is the feared Bothrops insularis, also known as the golden lancehead viper or the fer-de-lance's venomous cousin. This snake, with no counterparts anywhere else on Earth, reigns supreme on Snake Island, adding an extra layer of rarity and danger to its mystique. Recognizing the peril that this unique ecosystem possesses, the Brazilian government has taken drastic measures to safeguard both the island's inhabitants and potential visitors. Access to Snake Island is strictly prohibited, with only the Brazilian Navy permitted to visit for essential tasks like lighthouse maintenance. Even researchers granted permission to explore its enigmatic landscapes must be accompanied by licensed doctors, underscoring the inherent risk of encountering these highly venomous snakes. Venturing into Snake Island without proper authorization not only brings the risk of a venomous bite, but also carries legal consequences. The tale of this snake-infested enclave serves as a chilling reminder of the delicate balance between fascination and peril that exists in the world's most isolated and dangerous places. 3. Javari Valley. The Javari Valley, sprawling across 85,444.82 square kilometers, an expanse larger than Austria, is not only one of the largest indigenous territories in Brazil, but also a last bastion of primal wilderness in the Amazon. Amidst its lush tropical bounty, however, a troubling narrative unfolds. A tale of lawlessness, criminal impunity, and the explosive rise of drug trafficking over the past decade. This vast territory, marked by its breathtaking beauty and ecological significance, has become a volatile hotspot where criminals operate without restraint. Poachers, illegal loggers, and fishers exploit the rich resources of the Javari, leading to violent conflicts between indigenous inhabitants and riverside communities. In the midst of this chaos, the Javari Valley serves as an unlikely refuge for uncontacted tribes, adding a layer of complexity to the region's intricate dynamics. Home to approximately 6,000 indigenous residents representing 26 diverse ethnic groups, the Javari Valley stands as a mosaic of cultures and histories. 19 of these groups live in isolation, their roots tracking back to those who fled slaving raids and atrocities during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Seeking sanctuary in the remotest redoubts of the harsh wilderness, these resilient communities settled along the banks of numerous Amazon tributaries. The Javari Valley is a place of stark contrasts, where pristine wilderness converges with the harsh realities of violence and danger. Amidst the breathtaking landscapes, uncontacted tribes navigate the intricate dance of survival, coexisting with the shadowy presence of drug traffickers and criminals who exploit the region's vulnerabilities. As the struggle for the Javari's future unfolds, it stands as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between preserving the world's last frontiers and the threats that encroach upon them. The clash between indigenous communities and those seeking to exploit the land encapsulates the ongoing struggle to protect both the cultural heritage and ecological integrity of this remote and remarkable region. 4. Mutuo County. Welcome to Mutuo, a realm tucked away in eastern Tibet, a place so remote and isolated that it stands as the only county in China without a highway linking it to the outside world. This is not merely a geographical location, it is a frontier that embodies the essence of seclusion. Mutuo holds a distinction beyond its physical isolation. It marks the final stretch where the Brahmaputra River courses through China before flowing into India, a geographical terminus that accentuates its unique status. With a mere population of 10,000, primarily comprising the Menba and Luba ethnic groups, Mutuo is a world unto itself. According to Tibetan Buddhist scripture, Mutuo is revered as Tibet's purest and holiest region, earning it the poetic title of the hidden lotus in Tibet. The spiritual significance of this enclave has made it a haven for seekers and pilgrims. Mutuo's allure extends beyond its spiritual dimensions. Despite its lofty, snow-capped mountains, this secluded county boasts a tropical twist, enjoying the cultivation of fruits like bananas and pineapples. This anomaly is made possible by Mutuo's typical subtropical moist climate, bringing ample rainfall and spring-like days throughout the year. In this unique microcosm, spirituality intertwines with the vibrancy of tropical flora against the backdrop of towering peaks. Recognized as a natural reserve, Mutuo is a sanctuary for biodiversity, housing numerous waterfalls, rivers, and an array of flora ranging from tropical to cold weather plants. It has earned monikers such as Natural Museum of Tibet and the Tibetan Botanical Garden, underscoring its ecological significance. For the intrepid adventurer, the trek to Mutuo is both a challenge and a reward. Spanning 4 days, the route is hailed as one of the most classic hiking trails in China, offering a transformative journey through the pristine landscapes of this hidden gem. As you traverse Mutuo's rugged terrain, you'll not only witness the convergence of spirituality and nature, but also experience the thrill of venturing into a world where isolation becomes an invitation to explore the untouched wonders of Tibet's hidden heart. 5. Tristan da Cunha. Tristan da Cunha, situated approximately 1,500 miles south of St. Helena Island in the South Atlantic Ocean, stands as one of the world's most remote inhabited archipelagos. This collection of volcanic islands offers a unique window into life in one of the planet's most isolated corners, providing a striking contrast to the bustling connectedness of more populated regions. Reaching Tristan da Cunha is no small endeavor, especially for those venturing from the United States. The most practical route involves a 15-hour flight to Cape Town, South Africa, followed by a 6-day boat journey across the vast expanses of the South Atlantic. The island's rocky terrain renders it unsuitable for an airstrip, making sea travel the sole means of access. Discovered in 1506 by a Portuguese admiral en route to the Cape of Good Hope, Tristan da Cunha was later established as a permanent settlement in 1816 by a British garrison under King George III. Today, it stands as a British overseas territory with approximately 275 inhabitants hailing from American, Dutch, English, Scottish, and Italian backgrounds. This isolated outpost has its own distinctive dialect of English, spoken by a handful of individuals, making it one of the rarest languages globally. The island's communication infrastructure is as unique as its language, with slow internet service, no phone network, and an absence of local newspapers. However, the island boasts a peculiar form of communication, local gossip, reputedly faster than the internet, albeit with varying degrees of accuracy. Despite its isolation, Tristan da Cunha maintains essential services including 2 churches, a medical facility, and a school catering to ages 3 to 16. Medical professionals and priests make brief visits for a few weeks or months at a time. Visitors seeking to experience this remote enclave can secure a spot on one of the 9 fishing vessel trips scheduled throughout the year, offering a rare glimpse into the daily lives of those who call Tristan da Cunha their home in the vast South Atlantic expanse. In essence, isolated places showcase the profound diversity of our planet. From extreme terrains to unique cultures, these remote locations unveil the resilience and untamed beauty of Earth's untouched frontiers, inviting exploration and appreciation for the wonders that thrive in isolation. Until the next adventure to discover more remote and isolated destinations, may your travels be filled with joy and exploration.